Here is a rectangle drawn on centimeter squared paper. So you can see, find the percentage of the rectangle which is shaded. So if you see, we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 squares, out of which 2 are shaded. So for percentage 2 out of 8, then times we will write down 100. That will give us the percentage. 2 times 1 and 2 times 4, this is cancelled. So we have 100 divided by 4, which is 25. So final answer is 25. Okay. Now the next one, here are 5 digit cards. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Use each card once to make this calculation correct. So we should have 5 here. So if I take 3 and 1 here, so let me take 1 here and 3 here, 4, then 1, we should have 1 carry here. So that means we have used this 1 and we have used 3. So let me put here 4 and 38. So then at 8 plus 4 it is 12. So we will get 2 here. 2 is also used now. Then there will be 1 carry here. So then we will get answer of 52, right? You may have different answer. The arrangement can be different here, right, in these numbers here. Now number 5, here are 2 spinners, spinner A and spinner B. What is likelihood of spinning a 4 on spinner A? So 4 here is 1, 2 and 3 times. 3 out of how many? There are total 6 outcomes, right? You see there are 6 triangles here. So that is 50%, half, 50%, or we can say there are even chances, right? Next, Rajiv spins both spinners and adds the results. So he adds the results here. What is the likelihood the total will be an odd number? So if you add both of them, you see all these numbers are even. All these numbers in spinner A and spinner B, all are even here and all are even in this. So even plus even is going to be again even number. So there is no chance. We can say it is impossible. Impossible. Okay. Now next one, calculate 25% of 36. 25 over 100 times 36. So 25 times 4 is 100, then 4 times 9 is 36. The final answer is 9. Simple. Now here are some statements. Write true if the statement is correct, write false if it is not correct. The first one has been done for you. We have here a square has 4 equal sides. It's true. A parallelogram has 2 pair of parallel sides. So parallelogram looks like this. It has 2 pair of parallel sides. It's true, right? Then a rhombus have 4 equal angles. This is wrong. A rhombus cannot have 4 angles equal. Rhombus is like this. As you can see, there are 2 acute angle and 2 obtuse. So opposite angles are equal, but not all 4 angles are equal. A trapezium has 1 pair of parallel sides. This is trapezium, is like this. So this and this side is parallel. So this is true. The next one, a rhombus has 4 equal sides. Yes, this is true. A rhombus has 4 equal sides. Okay.